Over 70 of Nigerian investors gather for Abuja for the final level of the NextGen Innovation Challenge 2025, wey shele for Nicon Luxury Hotel for Abuja. Now, the National Board for Technology Incubation (NBTI) organized the event, and it shine light on how Naija youth dey use technology solve some of the country biggest wahala, from clean energy to agriculture, fintech, education to industrial productivity. Dem showcase over 74 finalists, 2 from each state plus the FCT, wey dem pick from more than 3,000 people wey apply. For im welcome speech, Dr. Kazeem Kolawole Raji, wey be the Director General of NBTI, tok say the event na big step for Naija to move from depending on natural resources to development wey dey powered by innovation. Dr. Raji tok say the theme of the program, Igniting Indigenous Ingenuity, Nigerian Solution, Global Impact, show how government wan move from consumption to production with technology wey we build by ourselves.
Today, Nigeria is simply convening an event. We are scripting a pivotal chapter in our nation's journey. A chapter defined not by natural endowments, but by intellectual assets. Not by what lies beneath our soil, but by the boundless ingenuity rising within our home people. Nigeria is not just catching up. Nigeria is taking the lead. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Minister, this year's Innovation Challenge received over 3,000 applications from Enugu to Kano, from Ekiti to Maiduguri, from mountains of Plateau to the buzzing innovation clusters of Lagos. Every entry, every idea is a vote of confidence in the future we are building for our nation.
As he praised the renewed hope agenda of President Bola Tinubu, the DG still call on private companies, development partners, governors, and the media make them support Nigeria innovation space. He say NBTI not just a build system, then they build the whole ecosystem.
Let me acknowledge the visionary leadership of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, whose renewed hope agenda charts a bold path from consumption to production, from dependence to innovation. Under the visionary leadership of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, Nigeria is undergoing a bold and deliberate transformation anchored on the Renew Hope agenda, the Nigerian First policy, and now Nigeria's historic inclusion in the BRICS Economic Alliance. We want to appeal to the private sector. We need your capital and your confidence. To our development partners and international agencies, we welcome your strategic investment. To our governors, we welcome your sponsorship. And to our brothers in the media, be the megaphone of this new Nigeria under the Renew Hope agenda of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR.
Minister of Innovation, Science and Technology, Chief Uche Geoffrey Nnaji, also praised the finalists and confirmed say government is ready to cut all the red tape, support tech hubs, and help innovation grow well. He still beg private investors and international partners make them support local investors as Nigeria don dey create tech and no dey import am again.
Let me begin by commending the National Board for Technical Incubation (NBTI), the distinguished judges, and the organizing committee for creating a national platform that speaks directly to the aspirations of our youth and the future of our country. Let me assure you, the Ministry of Innovation, Science and Technology is fully aligned with the President's vision. We are committed to strengthening innovation hubs across the country, scaling support for idea-to-market transition, and creating the policy and regulatory environment that encourages risk, rewards excellence, and promotes inclusion. To our private sector partners and global friends present here, I urge you to invest in these inventors. What you see today is just a glimpse of what Nigeria has to offer.
For im goodwill message, Dr. Abdullahi Mustafa, Director General of the Energy Commission of Nigeria, tok say dem dey support clean and sustainable energy projects wey go help power local innovation.
Renewable energy integration into the conventional energy supply, AI-powered forecasting, and predictive analytic optimization renewable energy systems. is encouraged forecasting and predicting into our energy mix. Energy storage system, simply put, batteries. AI-driven energy management system predicts also energy demand and optimizes storage of energy usage and reduces reliance on our fossil fuel. Energy efficiency. It is very important to conserve what we have. Our 6,000 megawatt generated electricity can be conserved and save, the deficit to be sent to underserved areas. So energy efficiency is very, very key, and as simply just inviting on some energy efficient bulbs or any appliances, we could save our electricity and send the remnant to the underserved area. Electric vehicle charging infrastructure. We've started it. The Honorable Minister just recently unveiled a free charging port in ECN, just to show that it's possible for Nigeria to also become one of the leading in Africa countries that embraces the electric vehicle. So if you're thinking, where are you going to get the electric to charge your car? Go and buy your electric vehicle and just come to ECN.
Among the finalists na Umar Adetola, wey show one solar-powered system wey fit track and manage how people dey use energy between landlords and tenants. He explained say the system dey help house owners share excess solar energy, give tenants, and dem fit monitor everything live.
I am here presenting Solar PA 360, which is an innovative idea of ours. So we plan to revolutionize the energy sector of Nigeria using renewable energy and also have energy access. So our project is majorly innovation, in which that we are implementing a solar tracking system which is dynamic, which is better than our normal convenient static solar panels, because of as it's tracking the sun intensity, so it's able to capture more energy in a lesser time. And also a cool feature of our project is that it has an energy sharing platform where the owner of the solar tracking system can now actually implement it in his own house. And let's say it have tenants and flats that are interested in having his own energy, so he can be able to pay and send money to him, and he will give access to their system. Because of there are actually different systems I've developed for this. So we have a central system that will be deployed in the house of the owner of the solar tracking system. And we also have different individual systems that will be deployed in the house of each tenant for them to be able to have access to the energy coming from the central system.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.